Hello guys, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari and today we have Aryan Pare with us and he will be sharing his experience of Capgemini. So first of all, welcome Aryan to our channel. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, Pulkit. How are you?
I'm also doing good. So
Great.
before starting with the interview process, please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Yeah, sure. So, hello everyone. I am Aryan Pare and I am from Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh. And I have recently completed my BTech from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, Pune in Information Technology. And as Pulkit said, I got placed in Capgemini last year from on-campus college, right?
Okay. So we'll start with the selection procedure. Please tell our viewers in brief what is the selection procedure of Capgemini.
Yeah, so Capgemini visited our college last year around September, I guess. And the selection criteria for it was 60% throughout BTech and your 10th and 12th. Then there should not be any live backlogs, and the year gap of more than 2 years was not allowed. Then after that, for the selection procedure, they conducted 4 tests, out of which the starting 3 were the elimination round, and the last one was non-elimination. And then if you get selected, then I got my result, I guess, in 10 to 12 days. And after that, in 3 to 4 days, I got a call for technical and HR interview.
Okay. So Aryan, we'll start talking about the test. So please tell our viewers what kind of questions did you face in the test, how many sections were there, and how did you completed the test in time?
Yeah, sure. So the first one was the pseudocode round. Here the questions were like we have to guess the output of the code, or we have to find the errors in the code. The concepts from which the questions they asked were data structures. Then you can say the from whose concept they asked some questions, and then from basic for looping and if else conditions. Here the questions were not very difficult, but you have to maintain your speed because there were like around 22 to 25 questions, and the time given was around 30 minutes. Then after this, the next one was verbal communication and English ability. In this round was not so difficult. Like if you the questions were same like that we have solved in 10th and 12th. You can say reading comprehensions, then parajumble sentences, grammar based questions. Uh, and this test was not so difficult. Then the third round was the game based aptitude. This was something new for me because before 2020, the Capgemini used to take aptitude round instead of this game based aptitude. But from 2020, they started this new round. Here, what they do is they give you randomly 4 games, and the time given for each game is around 5 to 7 minutes. And in that time, you have to cross the maximum levels for each game. Then the last round is behavior competency round. This is a non-elimination rounds. Here they provide you with some situations and they want to see how you will react with on it. So this was all about the selection.
Okay, Aaron. So talking about the pseudocode round, so you are from an IT background. So if someone is from a non-IT background, so will it be difficult for him or her to complete that round in time, or will he or she be able to complete the questions?
Look for this, I would say, is get the basic concepts clear. And if you are a guy from non-IT or CS background, then I would suggest you to at least give a 1 or 2 week to get understand the concepts and to get command on any one language. Because if you are sitting for placements, then not only for Capgemini, it will also help for other companies for you to appear.
Okay. And how will you rate the difficulty level of the entire test on the scale of 1 to 10?
The difficulty level was moderate. Like it was not so difficult. I would rate around 5 or 5.5, 5.5 something.
Okay. So coming to the interviews, so please tell our viewers what kind of questions did you face in the interview, how many panelists were there, and how long did your interview last?
Yeah, sure. So after I got the results for the for this assessment, after 3 to 4 days interview was scheduled. The interview was 1 to 1. The first one was technical interview, where the first question that the interviewer asked was common that is asked in all the interviews, like tell me about yourself. Then he went through my CV and asked the questions about my projects, like what challenges you faced in your project while making your projects, what concepts did you learn from it, and some conceptual based questions regarding my projects. Then after that, he asked some questions on OOPS concept, like difference between abstraction and encapsulation. and I mentioned Java in my CV. So he asked like why multiple inheritance is not possible in Java. Then he came to database related questions like difference between database languages like TDL and DML, and difference between truncate, drop, and delete commands. Then at last he asked me to write a code on Fibonacci series with and without recursion. So this was all about technical interview. It lasted around 20 minutes, I guess. And after that, I got a call for HR interview. The HR interview didn't last so long, I guess around 7 to 8 minutes. And in that, the interviewer asked if you are okay with working at any of the locations of Capgemini in India, and if you are okay with 2 years bond. And she asked about if you know anything about the company. That was all
Okay.
about the interview.
Okay. And how will you rate the difficulty level of the technical interview on the scale of 1 to 10?
For the interview was also not so difficult. Around 4.5 or 5, I guess it would be appropriate.
And the difficulty level of HR interview?
See, the HR interview is just a formality. If you if you clear your technical interview, then you will get a call for HR interview, and they just ask if you are okay with relocation and if you are okay with the bond of 2 years for Capgemini.
Okay. So have you joined the company, Aryan?
Yeah, this month only I joined the company on 7th of September.
Okay, that's great. Congratulations. So before your joining, did you get any modules for learning, or did they ask you for something to learn before the joining date?
After I got the results, every candidate have to go through a pre-onboarding training, which is of around 3 to 4 months. This is divided into two modules. In the first module, it is same for everyone, which have online courses based on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then some courses related to RDBMS and software engineering. This training is done on Adopt platform provided by Capgemini. Then after that, for module 2, they provide you with some options to choose within. Like for example, I chose Java. If I talk about some other options, it would be like SAP, Oracle. The one I remember is testing and validation. So from this, you can choose your domain, and then they provide you courses related to it. Yeah, it is around 3 to 4 months for both the modules.
Okay. And was it paid, or like do you have to do it
No,
yourself?
no. We have to do it ourselves. Like they just provide us the access to a platform, and we have to complete the courses, and then there is an exam after each module.
Okay. And do you have any special tip for our viewers so that they can clear the test as well as the interview in one go?
Yeah, sure. So, guys, for the test, I would say is if you are doing pseudocode round, then please don't panic. And if you get stuck at any questions, then don't waste time at it and just move on to next question, because this is an elimination round. And if you waste time on any one question, then you will not be able to attempt all the questions. And for the interview, I would say is just be confident and try not to mention any false information in your CV. And one more point is before appearing into interview, just go through your projects thoroughly. Like they might ask questions regarding to them. And so that's it. And all the best, guys, for your placements.
Okay. So Aryan, this is it from my side. And also I would like to tell our viewers, if you're new to our channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and more such interview experiences. And if you have any other doubt, you can write it down in the comment section. We'll surely answer it. So Aryan, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much for sharing your experience. It will be of great help, and all the very best from our side for your further future at Capgemini.
Thanks for having me, Pulkit, and thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much, Aryan.